I am Khadija Faisal from class 5th and today I will speak importance of speaking English. Speaking English is very important if you want to be a big human being, if you want to become successful in your life, so you have to speak English. And because if you really want to do something, so English is very important because when you will go in big companies or if you want to do something big work, so you have to speak English. And English increase your vocabulary also. When if you will practice English, so you will love it. You will start loving it. English is not that much hard. That much people is making that. English is very easy. If you will try to study English, so English is very easy for you. And because of if you want to learn English also, so you always need a very nice English teacher. If there is an English teacher behind you, so you can speak very nice English. And English is your atmosphere. If you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so you don't need to be shy. You have to speak anywhere, anytime, without any type of fear or nervousness. And if you want to speak English in your class, you can speak. You can speak English everywhere. At a restaurant also, at any place, at any picnic spot, in your class, at your home, with your teachers, with guests. So if you will speak English, so that will be very nice for you. English is very important. If you will speak English, like if the small children are speaking English, so your reputation will be very good in the public. Thank you so much.